Hello everyone and welcome to this new video. I'm sure that you have all seen the GTA 6 trailer, but have you ever wondered how to get that cool purple Vice City filter like in this picture, and also in this one, and this one too? Today I'll show you how to create that vibe using Lightroom mobile. It's super easy and brings that GTA feel to your pictures in just few simple steps. Let's go. So we will work on this picture. It's a picture from Miami, which is Vice City in GTA 6. And this is the Miami beach, which will probably be in GTA 6. So let's dive into it. So let's start with the light. Decrease the exposure only a little bit, then increase the contrast and decrease also the highlights. Then move to shadows and increase it too. And then don't change whites and move straight to blacks and decrease it to -53, and then go to color, increase the tint and decrease the vibrance all the way to 100 and increase the saturation too. And now we will move to the most important feature in our process, which is grading. You only need to change the second and the third one, so you don't need to touch the first and the last one. Let's start with the second one. Take it to blue, that is close to purple, like this. Move to the third one and take it to yellow, like this. Hit done. Go to effects, increase the first one and the second one and also the third one. The first one to 42, the second one to 40, and the last one only a little bit, like this. Move to detail and increase sharpening, and there you have it. As you can see, it really gives you the feeling of GTA 6 from the Vice City beach. Let's compare before and after. This is before and this is after. So thank you for watching. Try this preset if you have Lightroom mobile, and if you don't, you need to download it. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe.